Okay, our given is 8x plus 3 over 2 plus 2x minus 7 over 2. Okay, since our denominator is similar, so step 1, we need to copy the denominator. Then step 2, okay, or write all the numerators na lang muna. Just combine. So this will become 8x plus 3 plus 2x minus 7. Then after that, simplify your answer. Or combine the like terms. Okay, what are the like terms of the given numerator? We have 8x plus 3 plus 2x minus 7. When we say like terms, parehas may variable. At the same time, yung exponent ay parehas din po. Ano? 8x and, okay, simplify. 8x plus 2x. And x. Very good. Or ano pa yung natira? 3 and 7. So 3 minus 7. 4. What is the sign? Negative. Why negative? Sino mas malaki? Si 3, si 7. Si 7. Copy the sign of the bigger number. Over, what is the given denominator? Then, simplify your answer if necessary. Do you think we can factor 10x minus 4? Yes, because 10 and 4 are both divisible by 2. Very good. What is the GCF? 2. Oh, meron pang variable dito. Therefore, the GCF is only 2. And then 10x divided by 2, 5x minus 4 divided by 2 over 2. Then apply cancellation if necessary. We can cancel what? 2. Okay, sino natira? 5x minus 2.